All right, so this is the Enterprise location in Lakeport. So now the lady wants to charge me $100 to clean the car. Why? She says this is excessive pet hair. As I've said before, not a pet, a service animal. This is not excessive. I'm just showing you. This is exactly what it looks like. She says it's excessive. I want everyone to note that it is not only not excessive, car's clean as fuck. Watch. Is this car excessively dirty with pet hair? No. It's a service animal, therefore not a pet. And here's the interesting thing that she says she doesn't care. She's gonna charge me the extra $100. None of these seats have been up. I've had the car for a little over a week, 8 days. The seats have never been up. They were put down by the guy at the Ukiah Enterprise, which means that this car absolutely 100% has no pet hair within any of these seats at all. And not excessive. Right, let's look in here. Any pet hair? Not excessive. Any pet hair there? Not excessive. None of it's excessive. However, she's insisting on saying it's going to take her half an hour just to clean the back of this. Tough shit. That's not my problem. It's a service animal. So bottom line is no excessive pet hair because A, it's not a pet, and B, these seats have never been up. So anything to clean this car would be a blower and a brush. Clean out this aspect of the car as if I care. It's not my problem. So again, not my problem. Your problem is not my problem. I'm not talking to you. I'm not addressing you. I've asked you, please just leave me alone. The car is not excessive pet hair. Yeah, so now she's raised it from 100 to 200, which shows that she's very unprofessional, extremely unprofessional, and I'll deal with it with Enterprise. No way this is excessive. No way it's a pet. It's a service animal, and no way that I'm paying the extra money, and I will contest it. So I have all this on video, including her rudeness, which is unnecessary, to just act even worse. Even worse.
Ukiah did advise you of a pet fee.
It's not a pet.
I understand that it's your service animal, but it is still a dog. It is still a pet.
It's not a pet fee. It's essential, and you can't charge people extra for something that's required.
I can when it's an excessive.
That's not excess.
That is extremely.
Look, as I said, I can take the car and I can clean it in half an hour with a blower. I have a gas powered blower. I can clean it for you, right?
Already due.
Yeah. So you won't let me clean